Hello folks, it's George again, and today I'm going to be assembling a star preamplifier. It's a little kit I bought off eBay. Pardon me. It's in parts. So here we've got the main board. I'll need to solder the parts into this. Into the main board. So I'm marked, so it should be okay. Here we got a set of resistors and capacitors. We've got the two main capacitors. They're the power supply capacitors. They're normally 2200 UF. There's another capacitor. You can see 25 volts, 2200. Let me get that right. 2200 UF, 25 volts. Got input socket. RCA left and right. So one red, one white. Got a diode. Again, that's a power supply component. Got connectors for the power supply. This is an AC unit, so I'll need a transformer. Got the little knobs. There's 4 of them. So there's 4 knobs. There's a set of capacitors. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4 potentiometers for the base volume controls. And we got an assortment of capacitors. They're smoothing capacitors. They're all using the power supply to smooth out spikes in the power supply. So there you go folks. So the main component is the main board, all etch, and you can see there's the 2200 U, so you have to solder them into the board. So next time you see this board, it'll be all soldered in and ready to go. Then I need a little case. At present, I think I'll just use a clear see-through case. I've got one here. There you go. I'll use that for now. I'll drill some holes, hot glue the main board onto a plastic chassis. The next time you see this, it'll be all assembled, probably in the case. So this is part 1. Just to show the components you need to make a powered preamplifier. This one is a transformer or a power brick, but this preamplifier doesn't use 12 volt DC. Cannot connect a battery or 12 volt DC to this preamplifier because it will blow the circuits. You need an AC to AC adapter 12 volts, or you need a power amplifier 12 volts, 12 volts to connect to get this amplifier to work. I've got an old AC to AC adapter 12 volts somewhere lying around, so I'll probably try that first. It's much safer than using a transformer, especially in these very sort of low tech type equipment. Transformer is always better, for MOSFET AB amplifiers, which are very solid. These little kits are more suitable for DC